y'all, it's your girl Lou. Girl just hanging out, drinking some water. What y'all doing? Hey, well, girl, let's cook some tonight. Let's have some chicken wings and some northern beans. How about that? All right, come on, let's cook some. All right, so I'm gonna I just put my measuring cup. I'm gonna use about 2 cups of beans. I think that'll be enough for my family. So you have to read the directions and kind of gauge how much. Usually I don't use it, but since I'm doing a little demo, I was gonna do this anyway. Just grab my camera. Just trying to change up my content, guys. And I have not looked on anyone's channel, but if anyone else has done northern beans, shout out to them. All right, not trying to steal anybody's ideas, but this is just what is at the house. And ooh, there's a little one that needs to be thrown out. But yeah, northern beans and chicken wings in the air fryer today for dinner. And I may get some sweet potatoes and boil those to go along with it. All right, come on, let's get cooking. Good luck. It's your girl again. Now what I do is I soak the beans. And to be honest with you, I don't usually use this recipe, but I will post. And I've already posted it in this stage in the video. But anyway, here are me soaking my beans. Now, you can refer to the recipes, or a lot of you probably have done this so much, you know, okay? So there they are soaking, and while they're soaking, I'm gonna go ahead and put some fat back in my Dutch oven, fill it up with water, about 2 quarts of water, and go ahead and let it boil slow and get that water, the flavor all through that water. And then when I add the beans, yeah, you know, that part. And I'm gonna also chop up some onion. All right, gonna be soaking. All right, so my beans are swelling, my water is boiling, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse these and go ahead and put them in my pot. And these bowls I have, guys, remember I told you I got them from QVC. They come in different gold hues and assorted sizes. These are awesome for cooking. So I'm using some of this Walker's Wood traditional Jamaican jerk seasoning and mild. They do have a hot and spicy that I have, but I just put a dash of that in it, okay? And extra virgin olive oil. I mix that together, and I'm going to kind of spoon this over my chicken so it can kind of marinate.